Hey, this is Barry Money with LeakMaster, and I wanted to go over a leak testing application related to leak testing food packaged product. So what we have here is a riced cauliflower packaged bag of food, and our customer is going to be audit testing this. So this will be full of contents. And what they'll do is they'll cut this bag, empty the contents, empty the contents, and then wash the product out, and then they're able to leak test it. So what we've got here is we've got a customized seal tool that we've designed that fits on the inside diameter of this bag. And then this product will then be put into this chamber, and then we've got a seal that seals on the outside diameter of the bag as well. So once we've got the part fixtured properly, this cam over seal is going to swell up that inside diameter and seal off the inside of the product while pressing it to the outside diameter seal. So at this point, it's ready to be tested. Now when I hit start, it's going to pressurize this bag. The bag's going to swell up. There's a little sight window here to where we can see inside there. If it maintains a minimum set point pressure, then it's not a gross leak. And then it'll continue to the test step. If the product is leaking any air, it's going to leak inside this chamber, and then we've got a separate test line here that returns back into the tester, which actually returns into another pneumatic manifold with a valve and mass flow sensor. So that mass flow sensor is going to measure any air that's being put into this chamber, and that is representative to the size of the leak of the product. So I'm going to go ahead and run a test here now that we have it fixtured up. I'm going to hit start. You should see the bag inflate. And the bag has made it up to the test pressure, and it's holding there, so more than likely either a very small leak or no leak at all. We're seeing an extremely small leak rate, actually going all the way down to 0. This is representative of a good product. So I'm going to pull this one out. I'm going to take one here that, not that one. Looks like it's a known defect marked by our customer that they want to catch a product that leaks like this. Of course. It's a short bag. It's hard to cut it short. Didn't leave me quite enough room to test it, but I think we got enough. Let's get it fixtured in there. Let's try it. And that bag has a gigantic leak in it, so it won't even come up to pressure. You can see it's only coming up to about 3 psi. The expected set point would be 12 psi. We're metering this air in at a slow pace with a flow control at the beginning of the fill circuit, so we don't explode the bags. So the bags come up to pressure slowly, and if they can withstand that, then it makes it to the leak test step. But this product leaked really badly. All right, so with this type of product, it's very hard to replicate a very marginal leaker. You know, an extreme small pinhole that's barely going to leak any contents out. So what we've done is we've just manufactured a calibrated leak orifice. We've got some quick connect fittings on here. And this will be the method that our customer uses to verify that their system is actually working and can catch a micro-sized leak. So what we're going to do with no package on the end of our seal tool, we're going to bring our seal tool in and seal off. Now we're going to be delivering air through this leak orifice, and it's going to bleed right into the test chamber. And then that will show us that we can find an extremely small leak if a package was to leak that amount. Once we get into the test step here, we're actually measuring the amount of flow that's going inside of our test chamber, and you can see we're registering a very small leak, 1.5 to 1.6 cc's per minute. Now this would be your daily startup procedure here. So to verify that, hey, we can catch small leakers, once you go through that procedure, at that point, we're ready to start testing packages again. Okay, so we've got two sets of tools. We've got two different products that we're testing here. These two packages are being tested with this tooling setup, and the MRE pouches are actually tooled up differently because they have a smaller diameter. So the changeover procedure is just flip these Sta-Co clamps, disconnect all of your air lines, move this guy out, move this tooling set in, clamp them down. Now we're ready to test the MRE product. Same concept. I'm going to seal on the inside diameter of the bag with this seal. This seal is an expanding seal, so you can see it swells out. Cam it over to seal it. Make sure our supply line's in place. And we're going to hit start, and we should see this bag swell up. Kind of hard to see, but very good, nobody's present. Again, this is just audit testing, so they're going to randomly grab bags every 15-20 minutes off of the line, and it is to ensure that their sealing, their automated sealing mechanism is actually sealing it well enough to keep the contents inside the package.